Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and rear cameras on the Xiaomi Mi11 Lite mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup to create an opening between the frame and back cover. Next, insert a plastic car pry tool or something similar to cut the adhesive around the back cover. Take out the back cover and remove the logic board frame by undoing 11 screws, and then disconnect the battery plug on the left hand side. Next, take out the not working front camera and all three rear cameras from the logic board. Next, replace the required broken camera with a new unit and place it on the logic board. Make sure the connections are secured. Next, secure the logic board frame by adding 11 screws and the SIM tray. Next, before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tighten the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.